Today, we are talking about the contemporary design style, which is going to be sleek, modern, and constantly evolving to reflect what's currently trending. It's going to feature clean lines, a neutral color palette, and a touch of minimalism. Spaces in this design style follow timeless design principles that tend to be open floor plans and functional furniture. I'm Nikki D, and I'm your go-to resource for design inspiration, furniture, and decor that's going to make your home look like you hired a designer. Be sure to subscribe so that you get future bell notifications. Let's get right into it. This information is also available in a blog post, which I will link below, so you can check that out as well if you prefer to read or just want to have the information to return back to. The contemporary style living room is going to fit your needs, but also have a sophisticated vibe to it. Details in this style are going to include furniture with simple silhouettes, geometric shapes, and sculptural details. You'll see intentional pops of color, layered lighting, mixed materials, and texture, which is going to add depth and interest. Three core characteristics in the contemporary design style are a focus on current trends. So spaces will reflect the latest styles, but they're not going to be too trendy. So it still has a timeless feel to it. You'll see sleek lines, neutral colors with the occasional pop of color, which may be found in your rug, your artwork, your pillows, maybe an accent chair. There's going to be mixed materials, so combining different materials like glass elements, stone, metal, and wood. These will be molded into geometric and asymmetrical shapes that are both functional and stylish. Minimalism is going to be seen in the intentional selection of furniture and decor, so nothing that is ornate or over-designed. This design style originated from the late 1900s. During that time period, there was a shift towards simplicity with an emphasis on less is more, which creates a feeling of calm and order. The contemporary style is not confined to one specific region, so it's going to be an eclectic mix that's going to have cultural influences. These might be found in sustainable materials, handcrafted elements, and bold textures. The contemporary style living room furniture is sleek. It's going to have maybe curved edges, geometric shapes. You might have a boxy or curved sofa, sculptural accent chairs with details on the back or the sides, coffee tables with sharp angles. There's going to be uncluttered surfaces, so that feeling of less is more, avoiding pieces that are bulky, no turned legs or ornate details. And there's really going to be a feeling of openness and spaciousness. Sculptural elements like curved armrests, unique leg shapes, or interesting geometric patterns are found in the contemporary design style. Materials in this style are going to include natural wood grains, sleek metal details. Fabrics like velvets, boucle, and leather are going to add texture, dimension, and contrast. Leather is going to add a sleek look. Metal will have an industrial vibe to it. Wood is going to add warmth and character. Plush fabrics are going to add our comfort factor. And then acrylic, glass, and chrome will give it that modern edge, but also a feeling of spaciousness because they're open and airy. So our furniture is going to have purpose and style. So we may see storage solutions in ottomans, have coffee tables with drawers or lift up features. Modular sectional sofas that can be reconfigured or moved around into unique layouts. Sofas that have deep and inviting seating. Nesting tables that can be layered or moved into different locations. Sculptural swivel chairs so that you can turn to wherever the conversation or action is going on. When it comes to the color palette and the lighting, this is really going to create the overall look and feel in your space. You'll want to consider the size of your living room. If you have a small space, use light colors. That's going to make it feel larger and spacious. Think about the mood that you want to create. Cool colors are going to create a relaxing vibe, whereas warm colors will be more vibrant and energetic. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and lighting options. The colors in the contemporary style are going to be neutrals in a monochromatic color palette. So this is going to be tints and shades of one color. So maybe beige, white, gray, black, taupe, or mixing them together for a neutral base. This is going to create spaces that have a calm and sophisticated vibe to them, and it'll allow those pops of color that you add in your pillows, your artwork, accent chairs to really shine and make a statement. We're going to want to use the three core elements of lighting, which is general, task, and accent. Ambient lighting will be created with chandeliers or overhead ceiling fixtures for our general lighting. A floor lamp is great to add task lighting in a reading nook. Table lamps on the side of your sofa will create a space for reading. Accent lighting, like a picture light over your artwork or sconces next to a mirror. LED strips in a bookshelf is going to be all great examples of accent lighting. Layered lighting is going to set the vibe and create ambience. So this is really going to be the jewelry of your room, that finishing touch that just completes it and makes a statement and adds that wow factor. Dimmer switches are important for any space because they're going to control the brightness and really set the vibe. When it comes to the contemporary decor and accessories that you use in this design style, you're going to want to prioritize quality over quantity. So we're going to want to use a minimalist approach and be very intentional with the selection of our decor. So choose pieces that have simple lines, a neutral color palette, sculptural details, and maybe you have a grouping of 3 vases or coffee table books with a little trinket on top of it. That will add a feeling of spaciousness and a cohesive vibe. We're going to want to choose pieces that have simple lines and neutral colors. You may have statement artwork, sculptural accessories, or a vibrant rug. Incorporating technology is great for this design style. This might be smart furniture, such as a coffee table that has a fridge built in with it. You might have a console that has an electric fireplace that creates the mood and the vibe of your space. An end table that functions as your table, but then also has charging ports. They're not only going to make a statement, but they're also going to be the perfect blend of function and style. You can mount your TV on the wall with floating shelves surrounding it. This will camouflage the black TV box that is so common in many spaces. So you might even want to try doing an accent wall in black, and that will really make the TV recede into the space. 2 designers that are fabulous in the contemporary style are going to be Cheryl Eisen of IMG and Kelly Hoppen. Kelly Hoppen was actually the inspiration for Cheryl Eisen, who took that knowledge and made it her own. So Kelly Hoppen uses a lot of neutral colors. She uses beautiful statement lighting and artwork. This is some of the different designs in her style. It just has a soothing palette. She'll mix white and black elements, the base of neutral colors, and she is someone who is fabulous to follow for inspiration and design ideas. Here is Kelly Hoppen's website, where you can see at its foundation the design elements and principles of the contemporary design style. Beautiful spaces that are all in neutral color palettes, but yet have unique and stylish coffee tables that have sculptural features to them, geometric shapes. You're going to typically have a neutral space, open design that really is grounded by different area rugs or seating arrangements, and then elements like texture in your wood or paneling details, lighting that is statement pieces, and really the jewelry of your room. Cheryl Eisen of IMG is another great example of a designer to follow in the contemporary design style. She started off by following the resources from Kelly Hoppen, because Kelly Hoppen has design books, which I will link in the comment section below as well, that you can check out, that'll really give you that inspiration. She'll use artwork that has more vibrant colors in it, and then she also mixes in elements that create her own style. It's a very similar vibe to the look of Kelly Hoppen. And that's a wrap on the contemporary design style. I hope this was helpful and gives you ideas and inspiration to bring this look into your home. Be sure to like and subscribe so you get future bell notifications. Share this with a friend, leave a comment below, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Have a great day and happy designing.